What's up? Welcome to the GTA vlogs. It's all the vlogs you just want to. It's all the vlogs. It's a daily video diary every single day of his life until he's 29. You don't know what he is doing today.
Guys, it's day 17, and I quitting today for a week. I'm gonna be not vlogging right now because of I'm scripting. I'm making a show called What's Up Show, starring Cody me and I'm as Min, M-I-N. I put it as Minute, but I want to put Min. I mean a McFlurry. So after this video, not gonna be a video for a whole week. So I gotta upload the show. I have cameras all in my house, so I got a camera over here. I got a camera out there because they videotape me. Hold on, what do you keep that camera on my face? And yes, so ooh. I'm watching stuff. I'm in my computer room. The new computer room. So, maybe I'll keep the vlog today. I don't know. Depends. I'm not going to be cutting any parts out. I'm going to cut one part out today, and that's about it. I'm not cutting any parts out today. Because I just don't have any time. I like that.
You're building on a nature preserve, and frankly, it's taking nature on. You can get Furry Vengeance on DVD and Blu-ray combo. Rated PG.
That was funny. So, in my voice on the What's Up show, oh man, do I have this zoomed in? My voice on the web show, I act like I'm sick, but I'm not safe. I'm not really sick, but I act like it. So I'm like, oh man, what's up? I had a part where my cousin was, and yeah. So I'm just gonna keep this rolling, and about it for a week. I don't know why, but I gotta roll my radio station, so I gotta cut you guys off. Okay, I gotta cut you guys off my radio station starting. Alright? Peace. You trying to read me wine. I wish our hearts could come together as one. Shawty is the eeny, meeny, miny, oh lover. Shawty is the eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. Let me see the mission paradise within a wilding girl. No, rise. Tell me to rain for me fall. And if my guys, I can see it through ya. You seem like a dime. The devil leave you. This will be right after the song. And it ain't the night to show you, hold you, and leave me dancing as an alone. You can't make up your mind. You can't act like time. I wish our hearts could wine. I wish our hearts could come together as one. Shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. 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 Tell her to stop. Tell Madison to stop. Come on. I'm not gonna do it wrong. Just kidding. Not enough lighting, is there? I thought so. Maddie, say hi. Say hi. Dora. It's my birthday! Hey guys, it's not my birthday. I know there's not enough lighting, but she's a really big screamer. I don't know why. She's a real big screamer. Yeah, well. Scream!
What's going on in here?
Why did I just make it dark?
I'm dreadfully sorry, gentlemen. You must be in the wrong room. This room is reserved for the BGA FBC. That's funny. I thought it was.
Who wants to have a dance party?
What caverns is that?
Wanna have a dance party? Wanna have a dance party?
Before you have to say goodbye, say hello. Just
Alright. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna cut you off. Yeah? Here, give me that. Hit this. No. Hit this. Ow! Hit again. Ow! Stop hitting my butt! She's hitting my butt! Okay, and
Lawnmower didn't wake him up cutting it?
Must not have.
hi,
It said he woke up and
Okay.
his lawn was mowed. Someone had mowed his lawn. Maddie, what's your problem?
Come on! Wanna go see Sissy? Okay, hold on, guys. She wants to have a dance party. And it's 7:24. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Hey, look. My name's up here. Cody. Well, mine's spelled C-O-D-I-E. I just spelled C-O-D-Y. At school. Oh yeah. Still day 17. Sorry. Hey guys, the day hasn't ended yet. Well, here we are. Just wash these chairs down, and there's what's left. And I cut the grass too, as long as you can see. I cut the grass. Look at there's. I cut the grass. He helped me. My grandpa helped me.
first time cutting the grass, so. Ew, choo. Ew, choo. Ew, 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 choo. Ew, choo. We're hooking the hose back up. Well, there's the backyard again.
Still there.
Yeah.
Backyard is still there.
I can't. I hope there's no grass. I like the sand. I think you got water on the lens. Oh. Wait. Yep. Okay. They're clean. Here's the garage. It's gonna be filled in the winter. I can tell you that. And we're taping every day of this house. If you want to see the front of it, just like how big it is, out to here. Oh, I got no shoes on because of. There's what the house looks like. Here. Well, I cut the grass. Got trimmed the bushes. Everything will be back up. And there's the side of it. Well, kind of diagonal. I haven't shown you all the house yet because I found my Grand Theft Auto. I'm gonna sell my GameCube on eBay for $50. All my games, I got about 12 of them. And 2 controllers, and plus the game console for $50. I'm going to sell it on eBay about a month from now. So in a month from now, you guys can check out eBay and take a look at my, GameCube. So, yeah. Take a look at my GameCube. There's the road. Oh, man. I got wet. I got to air dry before I can go in the house. And I'm gonna take a shower for the second time. I've been taking baths here because the plumbing is weird. Like okay, say when the washer is all done, it's on the rinse cycle. The washer stuff will come through the bathtub. So we're gonna have a plumbing guy coming through and an electrician, because of the wiring's not up to date. It's just got the 2 prongs, not the 3 like the one on the bottom. Because of, don't know. This house is kind of weird. I like it. My room's bigger than my mom's. Ah! That's funny. My room's bigger than my mom's. I got the biggest room in the house. I actually got the biggest bedroom in the house. They got the smallest bedroom. Ha! So funny, isn't it?